I got this template from Woodworkers Guild of America. Go to the website and download the 3D deer template. The template is for a 2x4 piece of wood, and I'm using pine. You don't have to cut the template precisely because it all depends on your bandsaw skills. So either just go straight online or don't go online. I am labeling the template front and side because in the event that I want to reuse the template, I don't have to print it out again, and I can just reuse this. So here I am just tracing out the template using a Sharpie because it's easier to see than a pencil. I'm just drawing some lines here to let myself know where to cut when I take this piece of wood to the miter saw. Now time for the side profile template. And here's all of the steers that I'm able to put into 4x8. So my son wanted to learn how to use a saw, so I thought this would be the perfect saw for him to learn from because it's safer than a table saw or the miter saw. Take the reindeer. That's your reindeer right there.
Oh, wait, we made two? Oh, I didn't even notice that.
So this one is like glued up against the wall. And this one is by itself. So here's how all the deer look like, from the block to the wrong size bandsaw blade to the correct side bandsaw blade to me torching the wood and staining the wood. Hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.